guys, so as you can see, Ross Performance has come on board for this crazy S15 build we're doing and supplied us with all these amazing parts. Everything from dry sump pump, tank, all the sensors, the cover, like this covers the oil pump, all the pulley system, trigger cover, all the fittings, dry sump pump bracket, balancer, rocker covers, every single fitting, absolutely everything. And there's even more. There's more fittings, boxes after boxes after boxes. The support is honestly been freaking insane. Can't thank Ross enough. We got freaking hats, beanies, jumpers, everything. Thank you, Ross, and everyone. Give Ross some love because the support they're giving us has been insane. So it's the least we can do for them. Thanks, Ross. Legends.